Namaste. Today we are going to learn yoga for car driving. Car driving is the first thing we do to reach our workplace. The idea of going to workplace itself creates a stressful mindset, and when you drive your car in the metropolitan traffic, that also creates a lot of stress. Both these stresses are mental stress. Now we'll talk about physical stress, which happens due to holding of the steering. The fingers get cramped, wrists get jammed, elbows are jammed, and shoulder also is engaged for a long duration. Same fatigue gets transmitted to neck, back, and the hips, which are cramped into the car seat. The knees are bent at 90 degrees also during the driving of the car, and ankles are continuously engaged to put brakes or to accelerate the car or to press the clutch. These all things lead to increase in sympathetic activity inside our nervous system. Because of that, there is increase in heart rate, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. These things can be prevented by taking care of few things before and after driving the car. Before driving the car, you should have taken the note of time to reach your workplace, and what you should do is, while entering inside the car, you should focus on your breathing. You should deeply inhale and exhale few times before starting your vehicle, and keep in mind that you will not get distracted by the traffic or the people who are breaking the traffic rules. Follow the traffic rules, wear your seat belt, and drive the car with complete mindfulness towards the road and also towards your breathing. Let us now learn what we have to do after we have finished the car driving. We'll start with fingers. Spread your fingers, straighten them, squeeze, spread, squeeze, spread, squeeze. Coming to wrists, make a fist of the palm, keep your thumbs inside, rotate your wrist, 1, 2, 3, reverse, 1, 2, 3. Elbows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now shoulder rotation in 1, 2, 3, reverse, 1, 2, 3. During holding the steering, shoulders and chest, they are cramped and drooping forwards. So now we will do chest and shoulder expansion together. Keep your hands behind your back. Interlock your fingers. Inhale and stretch your hands as up as possible. To further enhance the stretch, inhale, exhale and bend down.
Inhale and come up. Keep your legs 1 to 1.5 feet apart. Support your hips with your palms and then hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we all know, the hips were crunched like this inside the car. Now what we will do is, we will reverse the stretch, use a wall, or if you are near your car, use one of the walls of your car, and then take your leg back. Take the support of wall of the car, stretch. Give a nice stretch to your hip, the upper thigh. Come back, give a stretch to the other leg. Look up, that will give a stretch to the spine as well. This is giving stretch to your upper limbs as well. Now we are going to perform exercise for the knee, range of motion exercise, that is squatting. Interlock your fingers. Keep your hands above your head. You can either keep your legs together or you can keep them slightly apart. It is better to keep them together to develop strength. Inhale, go down. Exhale, come up. 2, 3, 4, 5. The idea to keep your hands above your head is to make the spine straighter. Next exercise is ankle stretch. Stand on your toes. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now we are going to perform ankle stretch in the reverse direction using a wall, or the tire of your car also can be used. You can flex your ankle like this and give us nice stretch the calf muscles. Try to keep your knees straight. The stretch is transmitted along the calf muscles and then to the hamstrings as well. Inhale and exhale. Keep your hands with fingers pointing outwards, with thumb together towards your lower back. Keep your elbows as close to the trunk as possible, and then do exercises for the neck. Inhale, extend your neck. Exhale, flex. Inhale, exhale. Do it gently and slowly. Inhale, exhale. Side rotation. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You can repeat this for 3 times. Side bending. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, touch your ear to the shoulders. Exhale. Rotation of the neck. Inhale, coming down. Exhale. Reverse. Inhale, coming down. Exhale. You can repeat this for three times. Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Squeeze the body on the left. Stretch the body on the right. After sufficient squeezing and stretching, you can come back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. On the other side, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Don't take support from the lower hand. Squeeze and stretch at the same time. Sufficient stretch and squeeze. Slowly come back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now we are going to perform spinal twist. Come to one side of the mat. Inhale. Keep your legs 3 to 3.5 feet apart. Exhale. Now with inhale, lift your hands, keep them parallel to the ground. Exhale and bend forward. Further exhale, twist your spine, try to touch your right leg with the left hand and twist, look up towards the right fingers. Inhale, further inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Further exhale, touch your right hand to left foot and look towards your left fingers. Keep your knees straight. After sufficient twist, inhale, further inhale, exhale. After these exercises, you can sit down in Vajrasana for 1 or 2 minutes. You can close your eyes, adopt Chin Mudra, keeping your back and neck erect with mild smile on the face. Slow down your breathing. Slow down your thinking. You can chant Omkara or you can chant only Makara to soothe your brain cells like this. Inhale. After sufficient relaxation, then slowly open your eyes with rejuvenated body and mind. You can get on to your day's work. Namaste. Have a safe driving.